First, open your Tor browser and connect and search anything for checking routing servers. Watch here showing 3 different servers. First entry server, second middle server, and third exit server. What the ISP can see. When you connect, your first hop is a guard node. The IP addresses of many Tor nodes, including guards, are public, so an ISP can see that you're connecting to a known Tor node, which tells them you're using Tor. Now, I'll hide my Tor usage from my ISP by adding a bridge. Bridges make my connection look like ordinary encrypted traffic, so the ISP can't tell I'm using Tors. After adding bridge, restart your Tor browser. Remember, Tor protects your privacy, but adding a bridge gives you an extra layer of security against ISP monitoring. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.